Shot Down Mine, Episode 3. We got another Dark Eldar update here. Haven't done a whole lot since the last update, but I did get a chance to play the Dark Eldar at the Escalation League on Monday. It was lots of fun, got 3 games in. Definitely having a fun time with the army. It's very different. Strength 3, Toughness 3, open topped, armor value 10 vehicles. Definitely very different. So here's the Wyches. I've done a little bit of paint on them. This is what I'd say, they're tabletop ready. This is what I would call tabletop quality. They're each going to get, they don't have any highlights right now. So they've just had, some ink and some colors thrown on them, basically. The Hecatrix in the middle there, she's definitely had one highlight on her hair. And there was a highlight and some ink on her weapon there, but nothing special at all. They'll all get basically a highlight on their hair, highlight on their skin, highlight on their weapons, maybe another highlight. Not sure yet. I think their bases look pretty good. This unit, now that it's tabletop ready, I will go ahead and put the grass on their bases, or at least one, kind of see how it works. Quite hard to tell, but with some of these guys in there on his base, there's some little glue spots that show up inside the grate. So firstly, I'm going to try and hide those, and they're just little tiny spots that the ink doesn't like the glue, doesn't like the texture of the glue, so it doesn't work out all that great. So that's kind of the next step. Haven't painted anything else. I think I spent a couple hours on Tuesday doing this, and then what I've worked on since then, since Monday Escalation, working on the Wyches on Tuesdays, I've put a little work into this Razorwing Fighter. I think it looks pretty good. There was a little touch and go there for a while. Basically, this is built out of an intact Razor chassis, the bottom part. If you built one, it's a 2 or 3 piece little section that you then build everything else up off of. I use the side armor, the front and back, or the left and right, however you look at it, from the kit, building my Venoms, which you can see lots of pictures and video about at my blog at shotdownmine.blogspot.com. So the Venoms look pretty cool. I really like the sails. I like the whole idea of the sails, the ether sails. There's a lot of good science fiction out there that uses that, so I really like that. And so I built it up from a Raider chassis, little bits and pieces from Vipers in there, from Dark Eldar jet bikes, spiky bits from all sorts of kits, mostly the Raider. Got some missiles on there. Those are from a Robotech, I don't know, Veritech something. In Battletech, I'm pretty sure you'd call it a Phoenix Hawk. But no more. I've used its pieces on some Tau battle suits, and now the Razorwing Fighter. This is my first time really doing any work with green stuff, white stuff, whatever you want to call it. I really hated it. But I also used this really thin plastic stuff to build the wings, and then build up the armor along the wings and the fuselage. So there's my Razorwing Fighter. Hope you enjoy. Thanks a lot, everyone.